How to uninstall MySQL from Windows 10. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to completely uninstall MySQL from Windows 10 computer. So search for add remove programs. So add remove program is open now, and in the search box type MySQL. So here is the list of all the MySQL components and server that is installed on my machine. So first of all, we are going to uninstall MySQL server. Click on the MySQL server and then click uninstall. Then click uninstall. So Windows installer is now preparing to remove the MySQL server. Now it is gathering the required information to uninstall MySQL. So you can see now MySQL server is now uninstalled. Next thing is to uninstall the MySQL Workbench. Click uninstall, then click on uninstall. Now one by one we are going to uninstall all the components. So this is MySQL C++ connector. MySQL connector J. Click on uninstall. MySQL connector net 8.0.27. Click this and then click on uninstall. Now we are going to uninstall MySQL connector ODBC 8.0 driver. Click uninstall, then uninstall. We installed the documentation while installing the MySQL 8. Now we can click on uninstall to uninstall this. Now uninstall the MySQL examples. This is MySQL installer. So first uninstall the router. Then we will uninstall the MySQL shell. Now we will finally uninstall the MySQL installer. Click this and then click on uninstall. We have successfully uninstalled MySQL from Windows 10. You can go to the program files. MySQL Workbench, and you can see. Now we should also delete this directory. We have successfully uninstalled MySQL from Windows 10. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.